gang's ringleaders and associates have been arrested. They face criminal charges ranging from racketeering, money laundering, to trafficking in marijuana. The Bureau said law enforcement has been aware of the group since 2006.
Cannabis have been interdicted or seized from individuals associated with this organization. Violent crimes such as homicide, attempted homicide, home invasion robberies, armed robbery, armed narcotics trafficking, and various firearms violations have been linked to many of the members of the organization that you see posted. In September of 2011,
many of those suspects were arrested yesterday and today in a series of raids that included the group's distribution hub in Orange County. Sheriff Deming says the group used numerous methods to smuggle thousands of pounds of ganja into Central Florida.
Delivery through the United States postal packages, private package delivery services, freight shipping services, private vehicles, including recreational vehicles. The organization used several stash houses in the Pine Hills area to store the cannabis before it could be divided up and sold.